Welcome to our tutorial on installing Docomotion in your Salesforce environment. Let's walk through the installation process step by step. First, go to the Salesforce AppExchange and find the Docomotion page. On this page, you have two installation options. To install in a production environment, click Get It Now. You will be asked to select the production org where you want to install. Alternatively, to install in a sandbox, click Try It. You will need to fill in your details and click the Continue to Installation button. This will allow you to log into your sandbox to begin the installation. Whichever option you choose, you will be redirected to the Salesforce login page to continue. After logging in, you will be taken to the Installation Package Setup page. Docomotion includes its own permission sets and licenses. To simplify user management in the future, we recommend selecting Install for all users. Next, click the Install button to proceed. A pop-up window will appear with a list of Docomotion's remote sites. Check the box to approve them, and then click Continue. The installation will now begin. You might see a message that the app is taking a long time to install. If so, just click Done. You will be redirected to the Installed Packages page. Here, you can monitor the installation status. In any case, you will receive an email from Salesforce once the installation is complete. Once the installation is complete, your first step is to assign licenses. On the Installed Packages page, find the Docomotion package you just installed and click the Manage Licenses link next to it. This takes you to the Manage Licenses screen, where you can assign the available licenses to yourself and your users. When you license a user, you also need to set their permissions. On the User's Detail page, scroll down to the Permission Set Assignments section and click Edit Assignments. Docomotion provides three main permission sets to control what users can do. Docomotion Admin, assign this to yourself and any other administrators. It grants full access to configure all Docomotion settings, which is necessary for the next steps. Docomotion Designer, assign this to users who will be responsible for creating and managing document templates. Docomotion Generator, assign this to users who only need to generate documents from existing templates. For this initial setup, add the Docomotion Admin permission set to your own user and click Save. Now you are ready to configure the Docomotion app. From the App Launcher, open the Docomotion app. Go to the Docomotion System Settings tab and select the server region where your documents will be processed. This will unlock additional settings on the page. Next, download and install the Docomotion Designer. It's an add-in for Microsoft Word, so the interface is familiar and easy to use. You can create and edit complex documents easily, with no developer skills required. Finally, to unlock all features, click the Authorize button. This registers your Salesforce environment with Docomotion and enables features like the Live Editor, mass generation, and interactive documents. After authorizing, you can start creating new templates in the Forms tab. You have successfully installed and configured Docomotion in your Salesforce environment. Thank you for watching.